so awesome to be sitting here and staring down the palace.
This next song we're going to ask Pono to join us once again. And as we were speaking about the Mauna and when they put the call out to the musicians to donate songs for the fundraiser for the album that we made in order to help support the Kiaʻi up there. This is a song that I donated that I had actually written many years before. I wrote the lyrics and then revisited the lyrics when this came about and put some music to it. And it's really a love song for my home, for Hawai'i Island. I born and raised in Kyoka and Hilo, and had the privilege and blessing of being able to see Maunakea every morning when I woke up. Couldn't really see her in the afternoon because usually the clouds come in, but in the morning she was loud and proud and beautiful. And so this song really just speaks of her beauty, her strength, and all that she gives to all of our people. So we're going to ask Pono to join us and do this with us for you.
Mahalo again for joining us here.